Evening pickers. So we're going to pick this small money box. It's the one we gave our kids, but since it's something with a lock, I decided to give it a go. It's a small 4-pin wafer lock. Does work. So if I need some money from my kids and they don't want to give me the key, I can use something like that and quite easily get inside of it, if it will cooperate, of course. Here we go, open. So, for something small and for a money box for a child, I assume that's not a bad looking box. Good, thanks for your time and keep it legal, guys. Cheers!